Do whatever you want because I got the hamster. Friends, look at this. Okay, Mimi, I'll glue this, okay? I'll glue this. Mimi and Lele! Hey Mimi, can you help me please? Of course, Lele. I love you. Mwah. Okay, Mimi, can you put this like around circle like this? Like that? Yeah. Mimi, can you get like that paint toy, the bear that has the rainbow on his belly, and then I can glue it on here. Okay, let me try this. Lele, so I just found this. If you want this, you can do like a happy. I think I want this because the happy face on this. Yay! Okay, friends, so this is our hamster. Look. Yeah, it's mine. So cute. Wow! I'm putting glue all over. Sorry, Mimi. That was so good. Do whatever you want because I got the hamster. Friends, look at this. Okay, Mimi, I'll glue this, okay? I'll glue this. Sorry, you're not doing faces. I think this is not a hat. This is a fork. What do you think? Do you like it? I'm gonna do green grass. So, this is my beautiful crazy fork, and it's pretty. And here's the hamster. Ah! It's spinning around. Okay, if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe.